Okay, everybody, so this second video is about how to actually access the exam, start it, and then write it. So I'm assuming that at this point you have already registered on the game plan website and that your NOCP level has been confirmed as either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever yours is. So to access the exam, you go to the game plan website. So the address again, you can see it up here, is gameplanbasketball.ca. When you go on this website, please make sure you click on officials again. You have to do that first before you do anything. This blue line should say you are in the officials area. Before you do anything else, this is what needs to be on your screen. Then in the top right corner here, it says member sign in. Click on that and then type in your login information, whatever you used when you signed up, and click on sign in. And once you are signed in, it takes a second here, you should see this screen. It should have the different NOCP levels. So again, NOCP 1 is a recreational referee. So if you're level 1, then it should say certified here for you. And these things should be checked off. The prospects, this may not happen for you because you're not at level 1 yet. But either way, as long as you see this screen, then everything is good so far. So if you're NOCP 2, all this is probably checked off. You do not have to worry about any of this here as of yet until we hear anything else from Canada Basketball. So to access the exam, on the very top there's a toolbar, and the very last thing, the very last link is FIBA exam. Click on that. If this is not what you see when you log into game plan, then you have not registered properly. So for example, in the top left corner here, it says official Allen's, and then it has all my information. If up here it says Coach Allen's or something like that, then you probably registered as a coach. You have to go back to the home page of game plan, click on official, and re-register as an official. So if it does not say official and then your name here, then you probably did not register as an official. If it says coach, you definitely registered as a coach. So again, click on FIBA exam here, and then you should see this screen. So if you have not taken the practice exam yet, you'll probably see a registered button here. You can see I've already accessed it. And then depending on your level here, you may see 1 or 2 buttons next to the exam. So I'm a level 3, so I can only take the level 3 exam. If you're level 1, you should see a register button right next to the level 1. So to go and actually take the exam, you have to click on the register button. And when you get to this screen, it's going to tell you that it costs $36, and it asks for an access ID. Leave this field blank, as I've mentioned multiple times. On the bottom box, there's a second box that says coupon code. In one of the emails, you were told to use Cabo 2018 in this box. So Cabo 2018, and then click on register with credit card. When you do that, it's going to set the price of the exam as 0, and then you can skip any credit card information. You do not have to put any credit card information in, but you do have to put this coupon code in to make the exam free. So again, do not put anything in the access ID box. Do not click on this register with access ID. Go to the bottom, put in the coupon code, which is Cabo 2018, so Cabo 2018, and then click on the button that says register with credit card. Once you click on that, it'll take you to the next page. I'm not sure what exactly is on the next page. I don't want to start my exam yet, so I'm not going to click on it. But the coupon code makes the exam free for you, and then you can start the exam. If there's any questions still after these videos, please email me. Please be specific with what your issue is. If you can take a picture of the screen or send me the screen or even your login information so I can check it out personally, I'm more than glad to do that. But please just be specific if you do have questions. All right, best of luck.